Although it is common for children to cry or fuss, it is important to distinguish between benign and organic causes of crying and of fussing in a child. So that is something you want to start with. As soon as you start studying, make sure you know how to tell this cry from this child. Is it because the child has an organic cause, or is it because the child has a benign cause? Now, it goes on to say the place is a bit warm, so I'm going to take off my sweater. It goes on to say that, you know what, the causes of crying and fussing in a child can be functional, for example, hunger, irritability, lack of sleep, or colic. All right. And it can also be due to trauma. So, like injury, which can be physical injury, emotional abuse, or even trauma from, parents to the child. It could also be from an illness. Now, it says that given a crying or a fussing child, the candidate will diagnose the cause, the severity, and complications of the underlying issue and will initiate an appropriate management plan. In particular, the candidate will differentiate pediatric emergencies from conditions which require non-urgent treatment or reassurance. So the key objective to the approach to the fussing and crying child is, given a crying or fussing child, the candidate will diagnose the cause, the severity, the complications of the underlying issue, and will initiate an appropriate management plan. Okay. In particular, the candidate will differentiate pediatric emergencies from conditions requiring non-urgent treatment or reassurance. And then we move on to the enabling objectives.